Hi, I'm Bashir Ahmad from Liquinex. Today we're gonna run our suitcase compact water purification system directly from solar battery power pack with a lithium battery source, and we have prepared the dirty water earlier for this demonstration, and as soon as we have shown this dirty water here, right there, a little bit yellowish, we'll connect the power supply to the suitcase and the battery power pack, and we're going to run the filters here as it is running right now. Okay, water will be sucked through the membrane and cross into the carbon filter and will flow over the UV sterilizer and out through this hose right here. We're going to take a sample directly from the hose. As you can see, water is crystal clear. Now this water compares with this water which is earlier taken, slightly yellowish in color, and cheers.